Mark is making pork chops for dinner.
Start with a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using avocado oil. Salt and pepper the chops to taste. Put the chops in the heated pan and cook through. Cook until internal temperature is 145 degrees. Remove pork chops and set aside to rest. Put garlic in the pan and brown it for 30 seconds. Add half a cup of bone broth and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add in the basil, the garlic powder, and the Parmesan cheese. Warm this until it thickens on low temperature. Add parsley, add pork chops back in, and enjoy.